Hi, I'm Robert Schwabe, real estate agent here in Northeast Florida. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. I have people reach out to me all the time looking to move to Northeast Florida, which includes Jacksonville, St. John, St. Augustine, Orange Park, Fleming Island, and Green Cove Springs, and I absolutely love it. So if you're thinking about moving and would like to connect, go ahead and call, text, email me, however you'd like to get a hold of me. I'm out here today at Crosswinds at Nocatee in Ponte Vedra, Florida. I'm going to give you a tour of the Swindell model by David Weekley Homes. Enjoy the video. The Swindell model is around 2,395 square feet. You have the option of getting it in a 4 or 5 bedroom, 3 full bathrooms, 2-car garage. This model actually has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with a study and a retreat. The study has an option to be the 2nd bedroom with a full bathroom, and the retreat has the option of being the 5th bedroom.